Patrick's Garage.
Hello there friends, today we talking about spark plugs wires. And first of all we need to know which type of wires car manufacturer recommends. Volvo 140 series with B20A engines using copper wires with spark plug cap with resistance 1 kilo ohm on each cap of spark plugs.
Specifically, these caps were installed at the factory. This is original spark plugs caps BOSCH. I added this rubber insulation so I could hold it with my hand. Never touch spark plug wires when the engine runs. I'm old and I don't care about it. Yes, this is original caps from Bosch.
Also resistance in distributor rotor, approximately 5 kilo ohms on the rotor of distributor.
Let's measure the resistance of distributor. And we see what we can read, 5 kilo ohms. That's okay. And recheck again. Okay. And again, just for peace of mind.
And maybe you're interested in how to check spark plug wires.
First of all, we need to pay attention to the insulation of the wires. If the cap is damaged, it needs to be replaced. This cap is not original, but it works perfectly fine, also 1 kilo ohm. Bosch doesn't produce such caps now. This is not an original spare part. Electro check to measuring kilo ohms, and let's get started. And first for our check, red wire, HT LED champion, and let's see what is the resistance of this wire. Nothing. Electrocheck doesn't respond. This means the wire is absolutely unusable. And the next wire, and hook to the ends of the wire. 17 kilo ohms is too much. And the next one, also champion, red wire. Let's look. Little less, but also too much. And another wire, let's check. The resistance of the wire depends on its length. The longer the wire, the greater the resistance. And now let's check these high quality Tesla wires. But it's resistant more than our need because it's silicon wires for electronic ignition probably. Our ignition with contact breaker. We not need to install it, but let's check it. So to not confuse with these wires, and what we read 7.5. Wires often can be misleading and can create difficult conundrum. You never know what it could be, but often it's just because wires broke. And what's data for this? Probably it's okay. And the next wires, it's from my 940 series. I got rid of it. There is nothing worse for my self-esteem than having non-original ignition system and wires under the hood in the engine compartment. And next, silicon, black wire, 9 kilo ohms too much. So all these wires for electronic ignition. And next one, the best, zero resistance. Copper wire, it's what we need. For Volvo 140 series with B20A engine, we need spark plug wires with 0 resistance and spark plug cap with resistance 1 kilo ohm. And hook our fancy tool to the ends of the wire. And what we can read? Absolutely 0. If you think that it's unbelievable, we can recheck it, just for peace of mind. Therefore, we need wires with 0 resistance, copper wires. Silicon wires good only for electronic ignition, because it have too much resistance. Each ignition system is designed for a certain resistance in the wires. I mean all the way from the ignition coil to the end of the spark plug. Therefore, we shouldn't use other wires with different resistance. Only particular wires that car manufacturer recommends. In system with electronic ignition, lower resistance can also be danger for the system. But now I'm using only contact breaker system ignition. And now let's look at the early design of spark plugs caps. This is a really original design of spark plug caps for B18 engines. They look more convenient. I must clean it. I buy them locally. I don't buy them online. It's a really high quality caps. We need 1 kilo ohm resistance. So let's continue cleaning our caps. NGK cap is perfectly designed, and it fits in almost old cars and motorcycles. Now you might wonder where I can buy it, and here is the number for searching them. Disconnect cap, and what we see under the dirt, removing all dust from our cap. Connector, and let's look on the side of the cap, and what we see designation of this cap. Yes, 1 kilo ohm. I haven't had any problems at all. Beautiful, reliable spark plug cap, as long as you buy them from their reputable place. Got a decent built-in 1 kilo ohm resistor. Of course, it's also incredibly important in ignition system. Probably to avoid radio interference. I bought them a year ago and use it every day. Average auto enthusiast can do it, even if you don't have a lot of time to your car. Since we're on the topic of ignition wires, if you haven't seen my other videos about ignition system, I put them in the description below. Maybe these caps looks like more better than even Bosch caps. Maybe I like early ignition system because and original Bosch all system of the ignition. In nowadays will be better using spark plugs NGK and spark plug caps NGK. Let's look what say on the distributor cap, and we see Germany. It means made in Germany. But on the cap what I recently bought says Bosch. That means it's Bosch, but it's not made in Germany. And apparently regarding Bosch, it's not mean Bosch what was, but it works fine. Now, if you haven't subscribed to that channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and the bell, so that I can tell you when the next video about my cars is ready.